Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Logseq tags and links. In Logseq, tags and links both help organize content but serve different purposes. Tags provide a quick and straightforward way to label and organize your notes, easy to group related ideas or track priorities at a glance. They don't create pages, keeping them lightweight and flexible for quick categorization and filtering. It lacks deeper structure, so they aren't suited for complex organizations or detailed topics. They work best when you need simple labels to quickly identify or filter notes without extra overhead. Overall, tags are great for general organization and keeping your notes loosely connected. Meanwhile, links create pages that gathers all mentions of a topic, building an interconnected knowledge base. They support backlinks, helping you easily see and explore connections between ideas for deeper understanding. Links are ideal for building detailed hubs to expand and develop complex topics over time. Though they need more effort than tags, links provide a stronger structure for long-term knowledge. In short, links are powerful tools for building meaningful connections and organizing your notes in depth. In my opinion, links are best for deep, structured knowledge building, while tags excel at quick, flexible categorization. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.